Hi everyone and welcome to week 4. This week is a big week. It is our first week of group work. We're going to be working in groups for the next 3 weeks, and this week is all about getting to know each other's teammates, getting to know how you're going to work together, and how you can best complete the assignments that are coming up ahead. This week's project is a team charter, and you can find the template for the team charter in DocSharing. When you open it up, you're going to see that the assignment is asking you as a team to discuss many different elements of how you're going to work together in a group. How are you going to deal with conflict? How are you going to decide on a leader? How are you going to best put to use each other's strengths? So that's what this assignment is all about, learning about each other and figuring out how you want to work together as a team over the course of the next couple weeks. This document is all about setting down some rules and guidelines for how you want to act, and hopefully you will be able to refer back to it during weeks 5 and 6 when you're completing the rest of the assignments. Okay? This is a good assignment. This is really about getting to know each other and how you want to deal with each other, how you want to talk to each other. That is the big assignment for this week. We also have 2 discussion boards as usual, although now it looks a little different. We have 1 class discussion board, and then we have 1 team discussion board. So in only 1 threaded discussion are you going to be talking with the whole class. In the other threaded discussion, you're going to be talking with just your team. And that discussion that you're having with just your team is going to be all about how to put together your team charter. So it's going to be useful. And I really suggest that you do all of the discussing in that discussion board. Of course, if you all agree as a team that you want to set up some team meetings via phone, via chat, you can do that, but that is not required by anybody. It's only required for you to be in the discussion board, so I suggest using the discussion board to make all of your decisions. There you can throw out your ideas for the team charter, you can post documents, you can post drafts, have people look at the drafts, do whatever you want. So the discussion board is a great place to be, especially because you're graded on it. Same discussion board requirements for the team discussion board as with the class discussion board. You need to get in there and post at least 3 times, and the first post needs to be on by Wednesday, before, hopefully, and it needs to be on 3 different days. So you might as well discuss the team project in the team discussion board since there are points associated with it. It's a win-win situation when you do it that way. Okay, so we've got those discussion boards, the class discussion board and the team discussion board. The team discussion board is where you're going to be talking about the team project, which is the team charter. And again, that team charter is just about figuring out how you're going to work together as a team. I did want to point out that when you go to the team project page, you're going to see a paragraph about the bigger project as a whole, about the project you're going to be doing the next 2 weeks that has to do with a board at a school talking about budgeting and finance. I don't want you to stress about that right now. We're going to talk a lot more about that next week. Let's just focus on the team charter for right now and figure out how we're going to work together as a team and move through this project smoothly. So that's what we have going for us this week. Stick to talking about that discussion, stick to talking about that team project in the discussion, and you're going to be all set. Of course, we've got the Q&A board, and if you have any questions about anything, send me an email. I will be in your team discussions as well as the class discussion daily to answer questions and look at any documents you may post, help you out in any way. All right, here's to another great week. I'll talk to you guys soon. Bye-bye.